I am Colin Shanafelt. I'm a professor of English here at ACC. Took my very first college class and taught my very first college class here at ACC. And since then, I've been blessed with teaching so many great students. When I was a young lad there in San Angelo, Texas, my mother told me I could do anything I wanted. So I decided to save the world. It's going to shock you greatly, but I have not succeeded. In fact, I've failed pretty miserably at that task. However, in the classroom, it's a second best. My students come, and from the very first day of class, I try to show them, make them feel it bone deep how much I care. I care a lot. I care about them, their journey through their education, their journey through life. I'm there for them, not for the college, not for myself, not for somebody else. I'm there for the students. And I make them understand that it's a sacred trust, teacher and student. It's a sacred trust. And these words that we study, they're not just pretty words. They're the breath of life, man. So now, after looking back and reflecting on a long career of teaching, I feel like my students taught me as much as I taught them, and I'm humbled by them, and I hope that they can succeed where I failed, and maybe they can save the world. I accept this award with deep humility and gratitude, and thank you, thank you, thank you.